Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys struggling with weak Wi-Fi signals? Don't be panic. Today we will solve your problem in just few minutes. So in today's video we will discuss how to set up D-Link DHP-W310AV PowerLine AV500 wireless and mini extender. If you're looking for the best Wi-Fi extender that easily extend your home Wi-Fi, then this video is specially made for you. Basically, the D-Link DHP-W310AV mini extender extends your internet by using your home's electrical wiring instead of long Ethernet cables. Firstly, unbox the extender box. The D-Link DHP-W310AV PowerLine AV500 wireless and mini extender box usually includes the PowerLine wireless extender device, one Ethernet cable, and a quick installation guide or user manual. These items help you connect the extender to your router and start extending your internet through your home's electrical wiring. Now plug your main PowerLine adapter into a wall outlet near the router. Use an Ethernet cable to connect the router PowerLine adapter. Plug the D-Link DHP-W310AV extender into a wall socket near your computer for the initial setup. Wait about 40 to 60 seconds until the power LED becomes solid green. On your phone or computer, go to Wi-Fi settings and connect to the extender's default network, e.g., Blink XXXX. The default Wi-Fi name and password are on a label or setup card in the box. Open a browser and go to http://dlinkapp.local or type 192.168.0.50 in the address bar. On the login page, type admin as the username. Leave the password blank, or use the one on the label if required, then click Login. The setup wizard will appear. Click Next and follow the prompts. Select your existing Wi-Fi network, the one you want to extend, then enter its password. You can keep the suggested network name, usually your Wi-Fi name with EXT at the end, or change it. Click Finish. The extender will save your settings and restart. Once setup is complete and the LED is solid green, unplug it and move it to a spot between your router and the area with weak signal. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.